Hey, I was just going to show you the difference between what moss is and what lichens are. I had actually a question the other day, what's a lichen? So I want to show you what a lichen is and how it affects your roof. So right here we have a lichen. This is moss. Right here's moss. It attacks to your roof. I'm going to see if I can just pull one little piece off. Now see, when I'm pulling it like that, I'm actually pulling shingles and all off. This is why when we put our soap down, it will make all this turn white, and then we'll let the rain give about 2 good rains to wash this off. On the other hand, a lichen is actually what grows on trees too, and they are deeply rooted into the shingle material, and it takes about a month before they will actually fall off. This one but when you see, I just pulled that little bit off, you can see how it's damaging your roof. It actually pulled those shingles off there with it, and that's why we don't mess with these. I'm only doing this to show you what it's doing, and this is the importance of what this will do to your roof. It will damage your roof that you will have to replace it if you let this go too long. I mean, you can see these down here, these are really good, been seeded in there pretty well, and you can, like I say, you can see right there the material on there. So that's why we will let the natural rain do it, and we will not put pressure on it. Again, this is what the importance of cleaning your roof is the moss, and then not only that, the moss it covers up the seams here, so when it does rain, all that water will sit in there, freeze, and get up underneath there, and then you have a problem of it wanting to pop the shingles up. So this is what it looks like once we have applied our soap on it. You can see where it's all turned white. That means it will only take 1, possibly 2 good rains, and every bit of this will be gone. It'll look like a brand new roof. It was very bad right here. I'm going to just show you, just for showing purposes. It will release. You can see how I'm just moving it and it's releasing it from it, and it's leaving the shingle material behind versus taking it with you. So whenever we do a roof cleaning, if you have a lot of moss, it's going to take 2 good rains to get it gone. Again, this is Jason Guyman, ProServe Group, PressureWashCincinnati.com. The importance of getting your roof clean. Subscribe to our videos, and have an awesome day. Bye.